Yeah, it's a really nice way to end my BUCS career. So I started back in 2012, my first indoor one, and I just scraped into the final really, finished 6th or 7th, and then I've won BUCS previously here, got silver, so it's nice to finish on a gold. I haven't actually been very well, January just gone, so I wrote off my indoor season completely. So for me to get on the start line today meant everything, just to be out here representing Brunel one last time. So yeah, I'm focusing on Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast and World Championships in London this summer. I think BUCS Nationals has actually helped me progress as an athlete. So I came to university doing okay as a junior, making English schools, but coming to BUCS Nationals actually made me a much better athlete, and I progressed through the rounds, and I think I took, made massive chunks. I've represented GB since I've started competing at BUCS, so it was definitely a stepping stone into the future.